Now we're going to start the sauce for our chicken pot pie. I have a large skillet over some medium heat. I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil and 5 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to dice up the butter so it melts faster. And melt that in the skillet. While we're waiting for that to melt and get hot, I'm going to tell you we're going to add a series of ingredients. The first ingredients to really get the flavor going, get the flavor developing, are going to be some chopped garlic and our chopped red onion. We're also going to add salt and pepper. We're going to let that cook and simmer a little bit, and that's going to be the base for our sauce. Delicious sauce. Okay, let's get that in there. I'm going to scrape that in. Always, if you're scraping with a knife, use the back of your knife. If you use the front of the knife, you're going to dull the blade. Get that all in there. Distribute it evenly. We're going to let that cook until you can smell the fragrant onion and the garlic. And we'll let that cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. And when we come back in our next clip, we're going to add some other ingredients to keep that sauce going. See you then.